Process was quick and simple. They came out to the house, looked around in the attic, found things that our inspector had missed, discovered we had mold and all kinds of things going on. They laid the foundation. There were no surprises. I financed, which took a whole 5 minutes on the phone with Amy. She was wonderful. Made it really quick and easy, and the entire process was just seamless. Everything was very upfront in terms of prices and process and what to expect, and really a very simple process. They were extremely courteous. They made sure that decks were covered, that the driveways were cleared, and that we weren't going to have any kind of issues. I am really happy to say haven't found a single nail out in the driveway or anything that's unexpected, so they did a fabulous job. Quick and easy and courteous, and cleaned up really well after themselves, and it was just, they were awesome. It's beautiful, and the neighbors have commented on how awesome it looks, and that everybody's very impressed with the work that was done. Absolutely fantastic. No complaints whatsoever.